Banks are great, but when they can't help, we usually can. Hi, my name is Terry Brown, and I'm an independent business capital agent with David Allen Capital. We have already helped thousands of businesses already. You see, it is our goal to serve business owners of all sizes. We actually have 20 plus top lenders. And of course, each funding provider has their own funding program and requirements. So I just wanted to introduce myself real quick on this video. And I want to leave a link in the description area of this video where you can access my information page, okay? And from that page, you'll be able to access my company website and our online application. We have easy, fast, online, secure funding, okay? And in case you ever have an opportunity where you want to pursue in building or developing your business, or if you ever, if you're in a tight spot at times, we can probably help you. Our process is very simple and fast and based on your revenue more than your credit score. So grab that link, check things out, and apply for funding today. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.